الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد وعن أبي هريرة رضي الله تعالى عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال الله عز وجل كل عمل ابن آدم له إلا الصيام فإنه لي وأنا أجزي به والصيام جنة فإذا كان يوم صوم أحدكم فلا يرفث ولا يسخب فإن سابه أحد أو قاتله فليقل إني صائم والذي نفس محمد بيده لخلوف فم الصائم أطيب عند الله من ريح المسك للصائم فرحتان يفرحهما إذا أفطر فرح بفطره وإذا لقي ربه فرح بصومه متفق عليه. This hadith are saying of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is from the book of Bukhari and Muslim both, and any hadith which is found in both of these books, Bukhari and Muslim, it is called muttafaq alayh, agreed. Now the translation of this hadith is as follows. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah the Almighty and Master of Honor says, all other actions of a person are for himself, except the case of his fasting, which is exclusively for me, and I shall pay recompense for him for the same. The fast is a shield against vice and the fire of hell. Therefore, when any one of you is fasting, he should abstain from loose talk and avoid verbosity and noisy exchange of words. If somebody starts abusing him or picks up a quarrel with him, he should tell him that I am observing a fast. By Allah, in whose hands is the life of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the breath of the mouth of one who is fasting is more pleasant in the sight of Allah than the fragrance of musk. A fasting person gets two kinds of pleasure. Firstly, he feels pleasure when he breaks his fast. And secondly, he will be joyful by virtue of his fast when he meets his sustainer, that is Lord Allah the Almighty.